Hello, it's Shem from Solar Electrics. Part of my business is commissioning and decommissioning of commercial and industrial units. So today I'm in Eastleigh in commercial estate and helping a customer to bring property back to original state when they started the lease term, and it's come to the end. Company's moving out to different location, and we just taking all the cables out, bringing it back. The other business will bring the ceilings to the original state, bringing securing data, all the connections for the sockets, etc., bringing the lights to original state as well. So if you are looking, or when you will be looking for some electricians or for electrician to do that kind of job, commissioning, decommissioning of industrial and commercial property, please give us a shout.